So, why make videos? Why even consider making when it's not working? I have tried so many times. I have tried shorts, I have tried long videos, I have tried without voiceovers, and everything fails. I can't be consistent with it. Reason Reason is simple that I'm not getting what I want to make. I have started the channel as early as I started the sculpting, and I'm pretty much beginner even though I'm making my living out of it. And I will tell you that I'm single and living independently in my own house. There are other members, but they are minding their own business. So I'm just focusing on myself. Anyways, the thing is, I try to sculpt and I got reference. I generate concepts, and when I start sculpting, I do what I know and I start doing, and by the end of the day, it's not what I'm looking for. And I guess it's not surprising when you have just a year of experience on a creative field, as because it's creative, there is no benefit of having technical knowledge. I'm not saying that I am a technical person that can solve everything, but technical problems can be solved by help of tools like AI tools or someone else's knowledge, by videos, by tutorial. But in creative, those are not gonna work. Even though there are pretty good AI models that can generate base meshes for 3D, but we are not looking for base meshes. We are looking for a specific model with specific design, with specific face features, with specific emotions, and that's not achievable by AI or even any tutorials. You have to put your time, energy, and you have to be involved. That's the thing. I guess I'm not getting over it and I'm failing. I'm getting demotivated and I'm stopping uploading videos because there are expert rather than someone is learning. So let me introduce myself. I'm Rahul, a 3D character artist, and I've been doing sculpting since 1.5 years, and I have a gig on Fiverr where I take freelance projects, and I also made a website that's called RS4D Studio, which is a portfolio I'm showing to clients outside the platform because I want to expand my network. Anyways, so and what is the objective and what should be the objective? It will be making videos even though I'm failing, and let's try if I can manage editing and making videos because that's also a thing. I have put lot of hours in sculpting, but I am not putting any much in making videos. So that's also the reason, and that's making me average, I guess. because I'm not expanding, I'm not documenting my thing. Anyways, let's try again, let's try hard, and that's the thing. I will share my journey, not something that I'm expert of. Till now, I have knowledge, but I'm not expert. So let's be one and let's stay there, improve, and share the process online. That's maybe a better objective to follow. Anyways, thank you for listening. See you then. Tada.